Hello and welcome to my channel back. Well, today I have for you a new unboxing video of these great Bluetooth wireless speakers. Well, let's take a closer look what we here have. And beginning with the unboxing. How you can see, the box is colorful, made of paper. And the model name of this wireless Bluetooth speaker is QUER HS100. This one is in black color. There is a different types of colors, and this is black color. Okay, let's begin with the unboxing. Open the box. This is the first. What we must do, we must open this box. Okay, and inside we can see another box. Okay, open another box. So carefully. Wow, here we can see user manual. Okay, what's else? It's kind of carrying bag or pouch for this speaker. What's else? Well, this is, I think, a stand for the speaker to make it more stable. And so there is a cables. I think this is a charging cable, micro USB or mini USB and standard USB. Okay, and of course there is a audio cable to connect directly to your device. If you don't like Bluetooth, you can connect directly to your device with this 3.5 millimeters connectors. And this, well, that's all. Okay, well, and this is the Bluetooth speaker. You can see this design is made like a tube. Here one speaker, and on the other side other speakers. So, and here is a line in. This is for this cable. You can connect here and to your device, and charging port, I think. Yes, micro USB, or this is a mini USB connector to charge this device. Well, it's made of plastic. Oh no, this is some kind of aluminum or steel, metal. This is plastic, but this is metal. The body itself is made from metal. Not bad, not bad. So I bought this great speaker in my local online store, and the price was very friendly, about 20 euros. Yes, I bought it for 20 euros for the speaker. Not bad. And I must say, it's not light, it's very heavy. So, and yes, how I say, there is one speaker and another side is another speaker. This is on off. You can switch here to on, and it makes some sound. Turn off. So, okay, let's try to figure out how this goes and where goes this stand. Well, I prefer that this comes, I believe, here. You can see or not? Here. Yes, I think it comes here. Oh yes. And you can put on table or something else, and it's very stable. Must say, this Bluetooth speaker looks very expensive, yes, but it's not, it's cheap. And the sound quality is good, is very good for this kind of product. For this price, I think it has some smooth, light, mild bass. Not heavy bass, but so mild bass. So, well, this was my unboxing video of this wireless Bluetooth speakers. I think that you can have there in lot more colors. Red, blue. This is in black, metal finish. So smooth metal covering color. I think not bad, not bad. Very good quality product for this price. So thanks for watching. See you in next videos.